Ever wondered why some marriages sparkle like new while others lose their shine? We've got the secret sauce coming right up in this video, so keep your eyes peeled and ears open. Recommendation number 1: The hidden art of listening. Curious about how well you truly understand your husband? Let's dive into the power of nonverbal communication and decode his secret language together. Picture this. Your husband comes home after a long day, and he's a mystery novel you just can't put down. You're scanning for clues. Is he tired? Stressed? Ecstatic about something? The trick is in the art of listening, and not just to words, my friend. Over 70% of our communication is nonverbal. That's a whole lot of conversation happening in silence. So how about we turn up the volume? Let's tune into the small gestures, the light in his eyes, the energy in the room. Understanding these signals can transform your relationship from a black and white silent movie to a vibrant, surround sound blockbuster. So grab your popcorn, and let's decode this secret language together. Recommendation number 2: Dream big, together. Ever dreamed about climbing a mountain or sailing the seas together? We're about to align your dreams and set your relationship on an exciting path. You know, love is a lot like a shared dream. Imagine you're both on an adventure, scaling mountains, navigating rough seas, or maybe just sipping mojitos on a sunny beach. Ask him about his dreams. Big, small, wild, practical, it doesn't matter. Show interest, and more importantly, find a place for yourself in those dreams. Maybe it's as simple as being the one cheering him on when he runs that marathon. Or as grand as building a dream home together. Remember, a shared dream is a shared journey. So, let's get dreaming, shall we? Recommendation number 3: Innovate in love. Tired of the same old routine? We'll discover fresh ways to innovate in your relationship, turning mundane into magical. Remember when you first started dating? That rush of excitement, the anticipation of each date, the thrill of the unexpected. But after a while, every roller coaster starts to feel a bit too familiar. Time to become the innovators of your own love story. Try cooking a new dish together, take a spontaneous weekend trip, or start a goofy tradition that's just for the two of you. It's all about creating new memories, building shared experiences, and making sure the spark never goes out. So, let's put on our inventor's hats and start innovating in love, shall we? Recommendation number 4 for beginners. Are you new to the exciting journey of marriage? Let's equip you with the essentials to keep your love boat steady from the get-go. Being a rookie in the game of love can feel a bit like being dropped in a foreign city without a map. Remember, there's no such thing as a perfect marriage. It's all about embracing the mess, the chaos, and the unexpected surprises. So, don't stress about getting everything right. Next, communication is your GPS in this exciting journey. Talk about your dreams, fears, likes, dislikes, the weird way you like your eggs cooked. And lastly, keep the fun alive. Pull a prank, have a pillow fight, or dance in the kitchen for no reason. At the end of the day, marriage is all about being best friends who are crazy about each other. Recommendation number 5: Becoming a power duo. Learning from influential couples. Intrigued by how power couples maintain their bond? These influential couples seem to have cracked the code, right? One common thread among these couples? They function as a team. They celebrate each other's victories and stand as a pillar of support during challenges. So, it's time to put on your cheerleader outfit and become your husband's biggest fan. And let's not forget about maintaining individuality while being part of a team. Encourage your partner's personal interests, and make sure to nurture your own. Remember, you're two unique individuals who chose to be together. Take a cue from these power duos and strive for balance. And who knows, you might just be the next power couple everyone looks up to. Ready to step up your game? Let's do this. Recommendation number 6: Love in the time of tech. Does your husband seem more connected to his phone than to you? We're going to turn that tech distraction into a connection tool. Yes, we live in a world where our phones often get more attention than our partners. Guilty as charged. But what if we could flip the script? Think about it. You can use tech to send a sweet message in the middle of the day, or share a funny meme that makes him laugh. You can create a shared playlist of songs that remind you of each other. Or use a fitness app to challenge each other to stay healthy. The key is to be intentional about how you use technology. Let's turn those screens into tools that build connection instead of creating distance. So, ready to transform your tech habits and rekindle the spark? Let's plug in. Recommendation number 7: the 30-day love challenge. Are you ready to take a 30-day challenge to reignite your love? Let's embark on a month-long journey that could reshape your relationship. Transforming a relationship doesn't happen overnight. It's like growing a garden. You plant the seeds, water them, pull out the weeds, and one day, you're standing in a blooming paradise. We're proposing a 30-day love challenge. Small, daily actions for a month that can bring about a massive shift in your relationship. It could be as simple as writing a note of appreciation or surprising him with his favorite dessert. Or it could be a bit more challenging, like resolving an old argument or planning a surprise date. The point is, consistent effort over time can yield incredible results. It's about taking small steps every day and watching your love garden bloom. Ready to take the 30-day love challenge? Let's dive in. Recommendation number 8: avoiding the love pitfalls. Worried about relationship pitfalls? We'll show you how to navigate through them and ensure your love remains unscathed. Love isn't all roses and rainbows. There are thorns and thunderstorms too. And that's perfectly okay. Challenges, disagreements, and conflicts are a natural part of any relationship. They're not roadblocks, but speed bumps that slow you down so you can navigate better. The key lies in how you handle these challenging moments. It's like being in a storm. You can either let it toss you around, or you can learn to dance in the rain. Take a deep breath, communicate, understand, forgive, and most importantly, learn. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to understand each other better and to strengthen your bond. So, ready to dance in the storm and come out stronger on the other side? Let's take that leap. Recommendation number 9: the marriage mystery. Pondering over the secret to a lasting marriage? We're about to reveal lesser-known factors that could make your relationship go the distance. Ever wonder why some marriages seem to thrive while others merely survive? The secret often lies in the details. You see, it's not just about the grand gestures or the big anniversaries. It's about the small, everyday moments. The way you greet each other in the morning, the surprise cup of coffee, the shared laughter over a silly joke, the quiet comfort in just sitting together. These are the threads that weave a strong, resilient, and fulfilling marriage. So, let's pay attention to these little moments, cherish them, create more of them. Because the secret to a lasting marriage lies in valuing the ordinary just as much as the extraordinary. Ready to discover the magic in the mundane? Let's dive in. Recommendation number 10: ultimate relationship goals. Want to discover your ultimate relationship goal? Let's uncover your deepest desires and guide you on how to achieve them in your marriage. So, we've talked about strategies, tips, challenges, but what's the ultimate goal here? What's that deep desire that's driving all this effort? Simple. It's to create a love that lasts, a bond that strengthens with time, a partnership that brings out the best in both of you. And how do we achieve that? By understanding that love is a verb, not just a feeling. It's in the respect, the trust, the patience, the forgiveness. So, let's make a pact to love actively, to love intentionally, to love deeply. Because the real goal isn't just to keep your husband. It's to build a love story that inspires, a love story that endures. Ready to write your own enduring love story? Let's get started. Check out the description below for more tips on love and relationships. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.